How to change sound settings in Madden NFL 24 mobile. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can change the sound settings in Madden NFL 24 mobile, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So this is the home page of NFL 24. All you have to do is tap in the gear of settings next to my username and my OVR. And there I have the settings. I must go into preferences. I must tap on edit. And now if I scroll down just a little, I will find the audio settings. I have the menu special effects, so I can make them audible or not. I have the menu music, and I have the in-game special effects if are audible or not. Those are the sound settings that you can change in Madden NFL 24 mobile. Unfortunately, there's no way just to, like combine different volumes of these preferences. All you can do is go up with your volume or volume down, but this is gonna change all the music and special effects here in Madden NFL 24. But that's how you can do it. That's how you can change sound settings in Madden NFL 24 mobile. Thanks for watching.